Hello everyone, how is it going? As of now, we have discussed the need of Docker, the difference between Docker container and virtual machine, and post that we discussed what all does a Docker container has in it. So in case you have not watched the 3 basic videos, please check that out. So before I bombard you all with a lot of terminologies, let's get started with installing Docker. So in this video, we will be sharing the tips and tricks on how you can install Docker in MacBook. In the next one, it will be Windows, and post that, just as a bonus, I will also tell you how you can run all the Docker thing in web without installing in a local machine. So before delaying, let's get started. So let's open the browser, and over here you can just type Docker, and then we can just explore in the page, what all things are written, and then get a bit confused, and then we can find, okay, so here is the download thing, but we won't be doing that. We will just simply type Docker download, and we will be having Docker desktop with us. And as you can see, that Docker has been, said the #1 containerization software to developers and teams. So yeah, you are on the right page. Now, since I am using Apple chip, you can also have it for your Intel chip as well. Since we are as of now in Mac, I will be showing you for the Mac itself, and in the next video, as I mentioned earlier as well, I will be showing you for the Windows, right? So no worries, we will be going together in this. And then we simply click on download, and you can see it is getting downloaded. My internet is kind of okay-ish, so 10 seconds for around 500 MB is quite good, I guess it's fine. Cool. So we can click on that, and what you need to do, you can just simply need to drag and drop it. And that's how. Okay, now since I have both, so I will do replace. I already installed that, but no worries, we are on this together, so we will be doing the thing pretty much at the same point of time. So now verifying the Docker, so we go over the launchpad, and then we can see the Docker particular thing has been made. And then it's asking that is I downloaded from internet, are you safe? Yeah, it's Docker website, so it is quite safe and it is quite verified as well. Now we basically accept the terms and conditions, because since it's a basically, what do I say, it's a trusted source, so you can just simply run it, no particular issues with that. Now you can see these are the corresponding containers that have been run before, and you can also see there were certain images. No worries, we will be going everything at the very same point of time, and about even volumes we will be discussing everything together. So well, this is how you can think. You get all the options, and we can discuss. We even have a learning center from Docker itself, so you can also check this out, what is a container. And if you are curious, I also made a video on that, so even you can check out mine as well. And there are certain Docker for beginner languages, and everything has been written. So well, we are good with that. And now let's open the terminal and just check if things are working well for us. So when you install Docker, it automatically installs a Docker CLI command for us. So let's just type version and see. Yeah, so this is the Docker version, and help, you can see the list of commands that has been listed. Well, so I hope we are in sync. You install the Docker in your local machine and you faced no errors. Well, congrats on that. Now, in case you faced any errors, feel free to mention those in the comments. And in the next video, we will be looking forward and exploring with the heart of Docker, that is Docker images. So at first, we will be discussing what are images, and then we will be pulling our first Docker image. Excited for that? Make sure to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye-bye.